We're in the midst of the holiday season, and while we're wanting to really have some holiday cheer, we really want to continue that holiday cheer by being proactive in some winter tips so your home stays safe and warm. So today, Melissa Shaw, Lewis Realtors. I have done countless inspections, thousands of inspections in my real estate career. I've viewed so many homes, even through the holiday and Christmas season. And so I'm going to land with you today on some holiday tips to keep your home keeping safe and warm as you navigate this winter season, even beyond the holiday season. So today I'm sharing those favorite tips with you. Number one is make sure that you're looking and checking up on your HVAC system. The last thing you want to happen this holiday season and going into the new year is for your HVAC, your furnace, to go out. And believe me, I have had those calls. I have had those calls with the baby and the freezing cold, and my clients have not, their furnace has gone out. So we want to make sure that you're getting, I would definitely get on the horn earlier if you can and get that scheduled maintenance. Just make sure that your HVAC system's in good working order, that your furnace is in good working order, so you don't have any unpleasant surprises of really, really cold indoor days because your furnace goes out. Another thing that I would really recommend you double checking is your seals in your windows, seals in your doors. Let's get some weather stripping in there or sealing some cracks with some caulking if that's more applicable. Number three thing that I would consider doing is winterproofing your plumbing. Now, if you've got newer home, maybe the pipes are already insulated, but if you have an older home, you're really going to want to make sure those pipes are insulated. Wrap some insulation around them to make sure that they don't burst. The older homes in the crawl space is probably not a job that you're going to want to do yourself. So if you do need a referral for a handyman, please let me know. Another thing that you would want to consider doing to keep your winter days safe and continue to be warm is to really hone in on fire safety, especially around the holidays here. We've got Christmas trees that might be getting dry with Christmas outlets and things like that. We don't want to overload circuits or anything like that. So just make sure that you're checking in on your tree, you're making sure it's got water, that your outlets aren't overloaded to avoid any unexpected visitors like the fire department during your Christmas holiday time. And the last thing that I would love to share with you is enhancing indoor comfort. As I mentioned earlier, that, enhancing indoor comfort can really add warmth to your winter days. And you can do this by adding layers of curtains, plush blankets, pillows, oversized rugs. Really make a space look bigger and feel warmer and cozier on those winter days. One last bonus thing, if you're feeling a little, during the holidays because you got a little bit of the winter blues, you're in the Pacific Northwest after all, it's just get up and move. Get up and move. I know I am so guilty of this myself, but when I get up and move, I immediately feel better. You can do laps around your house. You can get on a treadmill if you've got a treadmill. If it's not raining, take the opportunity to get outside and walk around the block. It really gets the energy flowing in your body so much more and can really make you feel better and maybe have a step away from the winter blues for a moment. Well, if you like these tips and you'd like to hear more, I would love for you to keep checking back every week. So check back next week. But for now, I'd love to hear your winter tips that you have, that you do around your home during the winter. Share them with us so you can let a bigger community know the winter tips that work for you.